Now it is. It's recording right now. Get a video of that red truck right there. See it?
Mm-hmm.
He's a crazy person to do that.
Yeah.
Make sure you keep videoing that red truck.
I hope we don't do that.
We're not going that way.
Why aren't we going that way?
We're going straight, because I would never drive down that road like that crazy person.
Well, what are those people doing?
Get video ahead of us showing the river up here and these businesses.
Did you know you could do zooming on the video?
Yes.
Okay. Can't really see the cops from everywhere.
Make sure you get over here with the stores.
I already am. Oh, I already see sandbags. You? Oh yeah, right here is a great video. I just got it.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Look at these kids on the bikes. Get the kids on the bikes.
Where?
Right here, right here, right there.
I got him. And I got that other one. I'm going to get one of the cops.
Okay.
And the other people on the bikes.
Did you get that parking lot right there? That's a parking lot.
I just got it. Getting over there.
You need to zoom out, Eric. Zoom out. Get the police cars. Get this road right here. The mobile homes. Good job.
I got the cops.
Oh, there's a car in there too. All the way to Tiffany to get back home. I wonder if we can get down there a little bit. Doubt it.
I got that.
Here's a big puddle. Take it out the front window. See it?
Yep.
Take it from the front window.
It's like we're getting a car wash, a truck wash.
This is a puddle lover's dream.
Oh, look at that. It's like the camera just got soaking wet. But it didn't.
Okay, here, stop and restart. You don't want your video to be too long.